All right, friends, so in math, we're talking about weight. Weight is how heavy or light something is. What does it mean if an object is really heavy? Yep, an object that is heavy requires more muscles. It might take a little bit of strength to hold it up. It's harder to hold. All right, and what does it mean if an object is light? Yeah, that means it's really easy to hold. And every object weighs differently. Some objects are heavy, some are light. So this is what you're gonna do today. I want you to get a basket, like I have this basket. It's just a clear bucket. And you're gonna go find 4 objects. Now don't go yet. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do before you go, okay? So I already gathered my 4 objects. I have a book, my water bottle, a tissue, and a marker, okay? So this is in my lap right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab 2 of your objects. I'll grab my tissue and a book. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it in your hands. You can switch it up. You're gonna talk about which object is heavier and which is lighter. So as I'm feeling my book and my tissue, which one do you think is lighter, easier to hold? My tissue, you're right, look at my tissue. I can hold it. Now, my book isn't super heavy, but it's a little bit harder to hold than my tissue. So my tissue is lighter than my book. My book is heavier than the tissue. Now, once I've done that, I'm gonna put them back. I'm gonna get a new object. I'll grab my water bottle, my marker. Now, when you're looking at these, which do you think is heavier? Yes, my water bottle is a lot heavier than my marker. My marker, I can wave it in the air, no problem. But in my water bottle, I can't really do that. It's a lot harder to hold. It has water inside of it, so it is heavier than my marker. After I've talked about those, I'll get 2 more objects. How about my marker and my tissue? Oops. Which one of these do you think is heavier? My marker is heavier, you're right. Now my tissue is super light. My marker isn't super heavy like my water bottle, but when I hold it, it takes a little bit more strength than my tissue. My tissue can float around, but my marker I kind of have to hold on to a little bit harder so it doesn't get away. So, thanks for listening. Now, this is your object, or your job. You're gonna get a bucket or a basket or a bag, anything you want. Whoever is helping you can give you something to put some stuff in. You're gonna go get 4 objects and you're gonna do just what I did. Choose 2 at a time and compare their weight. Okay? Have fun.